I come across the plumbing under this kitchen sink of this house that was built in 1980. They told me that the polybutylene piping had been replaced, and there's evidence of it under the kitchen sink and the bathroom sinks. But the one thing I was looking at, as I'm hoping you can see this, is looks like Bubba the plumber was here. The pipe does not line up in a straight line going into the wall from under the sink here, so they chose to put duct tape on this. And when I filled the sink with water to check see if anything was leaking, it was obviously draining out under the piping, under the duct tape. I just thought I'd share that with you today. This is David Lelag, IHI Home Inspections.